Welcome to Fabi John's, the joy of decorating. Today we're heading into one of my favorite design adventures, thrift shopping. Professional designers know that secondhand stores are gold mines for unique high-quality pieces that bring character and soul to a home, without the designer price tag. In this video, I'll share 10 key things designers look for every time they step into a thrift shop, plus tips to spot quality. 1. Solid wood furniture. Designers head straight to the furniture section. Why? Older pieces are often solid wood with sturdy joinery, better than many new items. Look for dovetail drawers, real wood backs, weight and balance. Ignore surface scratches. A quick sand or coat of paint can transform the item. 2. Vintage lighting. Unique lamps and chandeliers add instant personality. Check wiring and sockets. Rewiring is inexpensive. Replace a dated shade with a crisp linen drum for a modern twist. 3. Original artwork and frames. Designers love one-of-a-kind art. Even if you don't love the painting, the frame alone can be worth the price. Old oil paintings or watercolors bring warmth and a sense of history. 4. Quality mirrors. A large mirror opens up a space and reflects light. Look for heavy, well-made frames and beveled edges. Antique patina on the glass adds character. 5. Pottery and ceramics. Hand-thrown bowls, vases, and pitchers are timeless. Group neutral tone pieces of different heights for a high-end look. 6. Textiles and rugs. Vintage textiles add softness and pattern. Hunt for wool or cotton rugs, hand-woven throws or linen tablecloths. Always check for stains or odors, but remember, many can be clean. 7. Architectural salvage. Think old doors, fireplace mantels. Perfect as statement headboards, shelving brackets, or wall art. Adds a bespoke designer feel. 8. Books and coffee table treasures. Stacks of oversized art books, vintage cookbooks, or leather-bound novels create instant charm on shelves and coffee tables. Kitchens and barware. Silver-plated trays, crystal glasses, and heavy cutlery add sparkle. Designers love mismatched sets for a collected overtime aesthetic. 10. Statement chairs. One standout chair can transform a corner. Focus on the silhouette and sturdiness. Fabric can always be reupholstered. Shopping strategies. Go often. Inventory can change daily. Bring measurements. Note the sizes you need. Carry cash. Some shops offer discounts for cash purchases. Think potential, not perfection. Remember, thrift shopping isn't just about saving money. It's about finding pieces with soul and craftsmanship you can't always buy new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. With your help, we can do it. See you on the next one. Bye.